So, this is the lecture series on DBMS, and today our topic is foreign keys, popularly known as referential integrity constraints. So, to understand the foreign keys, you should have basic understanding of keys that you will find in our previous lecture, and the link is given in the comment box below. Okay, sorry, description box below. So, foreign key, in case of foreign key, we have two relations being involved here. One is known as referencing relations and other is known as reference relations. And as per the foreign key constraint is concerned, here the value in one relation must appear in another. Now, look at these two tables. The first one is our instructor table where we have ID, name, department name, and salary. And the second one is our department table where we have department name, building, and budget. Now, you will find one attribute appearing in both of these two tables, and that is our department name. So, what I can say that these two tables have some significance forming this type of relationship, and this is what the instructor table is going to be a referencing relation, and the department table means this one will be going to one reference relations. Why so? Because this department names values are being taken from the department table. So referencing relation is the one which are referencing one attribute of another table. And reference relation is that one whose attribute is being referenced in that referencing table. You see, in this case, department name, we have computer science, we have electrical engineering, we have physics, finance, and all these values. Now, computer science is referring to what? Computer science of department name of the department table. You will see through these arrow marks. Okay, so whenever the value regarding this computer science will be needed, we can directly refer those values from the department table. And from that computer science department name, we'll have building information, also we'll have budget information. Similarly, we have electrical engineering. When some information regarding electrical engineering will be needed, then it will point to this, means refer to this department table, and from there we'll get this building and budget information. So you got the concept behind why this is referencing, why this first table in structure is known as referencing in this case, and why this is reference. I'm repeating again, referencing table or referencing relation is that one where some attribute is referencing the attribute, that same attribute that present in another relation, and reference relation is that relation where this attribute, one of this attribute, one of the different attributes of that table will be referenced by some another table. Clear? Now, one thing you have to note that the department name in the department table, that is our reference table, is the primary key for the department table. Okay, and that's why this particular department or reference table here with that attribute will have information of all the other attributes values in the department table. So don't get confused that who will be the foreign key here or what will be the foreign key in our case. That referencing tables attribute. Okay, that is the foreign key because the foreign key, in this case department, here is the primary key in our reference relation. So I hope this concept is very clear. And in one line definition, we can say that foreign key is that key or is that attribute in our in one relation which is referencing primary attribute of another relation. Okay, so in this class, I'm going to ask you one question. Sometimes child table and parent tables, these terms are also used to specify the one of this referencing relation or reference relation. So can you tell me which one will be our child table or child relation? That is referencing relation or reference relation. Okay, so comment your answer. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe at home.